There we go. I'm filming at Dapat Se Gat, that I believe was appropriately named after a cattle thief, Mr. Dapat. More about that later. It's something I learned on YouTube last week. But have a look around, enjoy the view. This is a pretty place, somewhere you want to be. And I want to share it with you. Isn't that nice?
We're looking out over False Bay, and to my right we're looking towards Table Mountain and the city of Cape Town beyond that bush over there.
Look at that. Oh, that's pretty.
Now we're looking at the Kugelberg Mountain and Reserve. It's a biosphere, so access is restricted.
Dapat Se Gat again. That's the walkway into the cave mouth there. Straight down below. Hey, hey, hey. Pretty, huh?